All right, we're going to try something new. I want you to grab your whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, and if you can't find it, pause the video. And if you still can't find it, then grab a pencil and a paper. We're going to do some word building and sentence writing. It's going to be really fun. This is new to me, so hang with me. So this week we're going to be working with the long O, and we're going to work with the OW today, because OW makes a long O sometimes. Um, our first word, so write OW. Our first word we're going to make is low. So stop and think. What do you hear at the beginning of the sound or the word low? What are you going to put there? Yes, it's an L. All right. Now you say the sounds. You point to them and you go, oh, low. Nice work. And now I want you to change low to glow. We have the L blend at the beginning, so we have something else. So if you're saying the sounds in glow, as you're saying it, you're writing the letter too. So you're going to say glow, and it's going to be glow. You got it. You're doing great. Now, if I'm going too fast, just pause it and then write it down. Next one, you're going to change glow to grow. So I want you to go through the sounds and grow. What one do you have to swap out? You're right. We're going to swap out that L and we're going to put an R. It's going to be grow. Grow. Yeah, and if you didn't have an R, that's okay. We can always fix it. And then we're going to change grow to row. So you go through the sounds row. I want you to think, what do we need to change? And if you said take away the G, you're correct. And what do you have next? You have row, row, like you want to row a boat. Next one is going to be something I like to put in my little girl's hair, a bow. So go through the sounds, you go B-O. What am I going to swap out? Yes, erase the and what are you going to add? B-O, bow. You got it. And then change bow to toe, like a tow truck. So you're gonna go through the sounds. Oh, ooh, I know. That B is gonna be taken away, and we're gonna add a toe. Oh yeah, a T. And that's how you do some word building. You're doing amazing. Keep up the great work. I'm going to give you a sentence, and if you need it repeated, I'll say it a few times. Just pause the video and then go back a little bit and have it repeat for you. But the sentence I want you to write on your whiteboard and then take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw is, do you like to grow plants? And remember, if it's a question, what punctuation mark are you going to put at the end? I'm going to say it one more time. Do you like to grow plants? So write that sentence and then take a picture of it and add it to Seesaw.